Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 16 divide 4 then 2 plus 2. Okay. Now let's solve this problem according to PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS means P means parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication and D means division. A means addition and S means subtraction. Okay. Parenthesis is first priority, exponents have second priority, then multiplication division both have equal priority. Okay, and third priority, and addition and subtraction have last priority and equal priority. Okay, so now let's solve this problem. Is equal to, so according to the PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis. First we have to solve this parenthesis, 2 plus 2. Okay, therefore 16 divide 4 in the parenthesis 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, now second priority is, here is a one division and here is one multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. Therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve 16 divide 4. So 16 divide 4 is equal to 4 in the parenthesis 4. Okay, now 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Therefore the correct answer is 16. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.